Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am Shruti and you're watching Shruti Arts. In today's video, we are going to paint with our brushes. Yes, you heard it right. I know that's really unfair with brushes.
I'm sorry.
But still, in today's video, we are going to paint with my fingers. Yes, with my fingers. I got an idea that why not to do something unfair with brushes.
Like मेरे को बहुत खुशी है इसलिए I'm gonna paint with my hands.
So let's start today's video and let's see how this will turn out while I am very nervous. So I know I've talked a lot, so now let's start and make sure to hit the subscribe button. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but let's see how we are going to paint this with my fingers, because this is my first time painting with fingers, so I'm pretty excited and nervous at the same time. Let's see how this goes. Let's start. So here you go. Here I have this sheet of paper and I am going to apply masking tape to all of the four sides to get the clear edges as always. So let's see. And as well as, let me tell you guys that this becomes really messy. My all nails got really black and really dark. So if you are having a really good manicure or anything, like if you're having good nails, I'll just tell you to wear something like gloves or etc., because this makes hands really dirty. But it was really fun to paint. So you should try it out, because something new or trying something new in art gives a different kind of experience. Because this was really fun. I was I was feeling like I'm in kindergarten and like small kids are painting in the same way I'm painting with my hands, giving my thinking some idea and just putting it on my sheet of paper with my fingers. So this is a bit unfair with my brushes. I have tons of brushes, but still I'm using my hands. So this is how my hands looks for now. As you can see, they are really dirty. This hand, it's terrible, and even I wiped it for 5 to 10 times, still it's like that, and my nails and all are really dirty. Let it be, because the challenge is all about it, that we have to paint with the fingers, and I thought this was going to be a bit easy, but it's not, because I have used watercolor paper here, which was a really wrong decision. I should have used another paper, but as I have used watercolor paper, so it's soaking water a lot, due to which I'm not able to mix it with my fingers. So that is one of the flaw of this painting. Still, this was a good experience, and it's drying up till so let's see how this goes. I hope the results turn a bit good, because this drawing is looking like a kid, like
5-year-olds like me making drawing in a kindergarten. This gives me that feeling. Let's see how this goes.
So that's okay. But yeah, the experience was lit. You should definitely try this once in your life. You'll just get something new to learn. While the wrong thing that I did here is that I used watercolor paper, and the watercolor paper is soaking a really nice amount of water, which is not good for this painting, because due to the absorption capacity of this paper, I was not able to merge two colors with my fingers. And if I did that really with some strong, applying a lot of pressure, at that time I was having a different kind of surface, like it was just ruining my paper. So I just thought, why not to let it be like that in the same way as it is. So yeah, that's my freaking story for this painting. So guys, that's all for today. I really hope you loved today's video, and the results are amazing and really cute, especially the clouds. As you can see here, it's super cute. And by the way, let me tell you one thing, that if you try this, you will think at a particular point that I want to give up, because the drawing didn't not going really well, which I experienced while painting this. So just don't give up, because if you trust the process, if you add the details at the end, you will get the perfect results. So make sure to trust the process. And if you want, I'll try more challenges like this. Let me know in the comment section what challenge related to art you want next. Like anything you want, I can try it for. Well, let's see how this goes. And now let's end this video. Make sure to follow the drill of like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Till that, take care and bye bye, and